thanks the Animation Express for this opportunity, to get sponsored, associated with this, very good event. In fact, this is a right platform where we want to showcase our, some of the inspiring products which we make for these architects. So before joining this conversation, I'm just going to the, some interactions happening between the legends of this industry. I could see that, in fact, I was expecting that, some conversations will go out of my head. In fact, because that language I don't understand is what I felt. But it's been a good, interaction, Mr. Vijay, Lena, really good interactions, talking about, multiple classes of the societies of India, where, architects has to help them to build an inspiring India for us. Okay, so this event, we thought we will share some of the products which we have on AMD portfolio. As it's been briefed, my portfolio is to manage these AMD Ryzen products and AMD Radeon products. Those basically these chipsets are designed, to the listed, communities like the gamers, and the architects and the studios which makes these contents, the 3D objects. So we in fact keep a lot of things in mind, when we launch these products. So wanted to share some, product details which really meant for these architects, and how this, AMD Ryzen products really helps in your, day-to-day task for the designers who works on this wonderful architecture, which we need to give to the clients. I request, the team to share my presentation. Yeah, so while we have, Ryzen is just, entered into the 5th year of celebration. AMD launched this AMD Ryzen, and Ryzen is all about, in series which we have launched in the CPU business, computing business, in which Threadripper, is a flagship series processor, and Threadripper Pro is actually meant for these, architects. We just wanted to share that, the Pro features here and the Pro models here. Maybe yes, I know few of you are, from the architect background, and definitely, the one of the key pillar where the knowledge can be transformed to the best of the designs, and that requires definitely the technology in place. And AMD definitely look forward, always, at least one generation ahead, to ensure that the technology, how it can help the each and every professional to bring the best of the best outcome. So there could be a lot of thoughts, a lot of ideas when you brainstorm as a team and wanted to give the best output to the client. But when it comes to the making that 3D objects and bringing out in the form of the best rendering, so what is really required is a good technology, so your ideas blended with technology is equal to the best output which a client really requires. So here you look at, the 4 pillars of the Threadripper processors. Has, one, the expandability part of it. People really get, in general, we get clients requests where they say that we want a 1 terabyte kind of memory, 2 terabyte kind of memory that requires to process their kind of, very huge tasks, to say multiple, processing to happen at the same time. And again, that is possible with the Threadripper because it comes with the latest 128 PCIe 4.0 lanes. And again, if you look at, it has got 8 memory channels. Again, this is going to take care of the multiple projects at the same time, where people here in any of the architect really, when they look at and make the project and comes on best output, there are 2 things that really helps on. One is on high frequency, which requires for the lightly threaded, for the 3D design tasks, and also they can require for the best rendering to come out. If these 2 things are achieved, then the idea is transformed into the best visualization so that they can actually share it with the clients and get the, winning of the projects. So this can be possible with the, features what we have in Threadripper. And full spectrum compute capability is all about how lightly this can be threaded with a high frequency, which requires, wherein the entire course can be used. We will share the entire portfolio in which you will understand, like, there are multiple products we have launched under the Threadripper Pro, which really goes for each, capacity of the designer who wants to design it and who wants to do for rendering, who has got both of designing and rendering, can actually go in one of the best processes we have. And in fact, it's not just ended with the, the kind of hardware features. We are also want some software features in this blended in our hardware. So we have that AMD Threadripper features as well, which we want to showcase today in this presentation. Yeah, to the next slide. Yeah, see, we have taken, in fact, to just showcase on how the design aspects and as well as how the rendering aspects can be compared with our competition Intel. In fact, we picked up the mostly widely used, Autodesk Revit, function here to compare with our Threadripper processor with the Xeon processor. You can look at this kind of, seconds of, what an AMD Ryzen can achieve on 100.88 seconds, the same task, which is taken by 134.97 seconds by Intel Xeon processor. So this is a kind of best of the output what a person can actually achieve in us. And terms to the, if you look at the Chaos Group V-Rays also, in terms of the V samples, when a rendering is required, V sample are the most important stuff. It's the kind of objectives what it can achieve. So we made a simple, video also for people to understand like how our output can come on when they look at the design part of it. So it's like, you get between Intel Xeon Threadripper, which we have compared. Yeah, can I have the next slide, please? So just to recap what we have said, in terms of the previous slide, not this, the features. Yeah. So Threadripper one, I'm talking about the making the design and again rendering. Both can go really well on Threadripper Pro processor. That's the reason why a lot of studios today has already been adopted. The Threadripper processor. In fact, a lot of people are coming to us in upgrading their existing technology because one, they save time. Two, I've seen that in fact in the previous conversation before my presentation that everyone talking about the value proposition which they need to offer. Today, value is something which is important. It's not just that we upgrade infrastructure at high cost and we put this cost back to the client. No, I think AMD really brings both performance and value proposition in the best place because we have actually, if you look at two Intel processors that cost, and it's less than one Threadripper what we sell. And again, one Threadripper actually gives the best of the output of what two Intel put together can give. So these are the best things which a client gets from us. And when you look at the features point of it, when we have seen the performance part of it, how the features are aligned, generally the software is something which really looks for the security solutions in any PC. But yes, we have integrated software, the features of security comes with the hardware itself. That's one of the AMD Pro security that can take care of your data integrity, which is very much required when you actually make the designs for the clients. And comes to AMD Pro manageability, this feature is one of the best feature where, if your system is Threadripper Pro based and it can actually handle the visualization, whatever the pieces that are connected can be well maintained remotely with this Threadripper PC. And look at this kind of AMD, the It is have the long-term reliability. People wanted the complete peace of mind that can come with the Threadripper Pro. So these are the top 3 features which we talk, when it comes to Threadripper Pro. So people who wants to go their studios with the latest designs, and again wants to bring the best productivity from their designers, I think upgrading to Threadripper will be the best solution. I request everyone to evaluate. In fact, we are going to send certain mailers with a lot of case studies. We have got the live examples, a lot of testimonials who are really got the best of the solutions. In fact, when they upgraded initially their capacity to 10 to 15% of their infrastructure with Threadripper, and in fact, we have got Ryzen 5950X kind of processors as well, Ryzen 9 processors. Even they can do the same job, but it depends on the kind of task what a designer look at. If in case they look at the complete solutions, best of the rendering time, they go for the Threadripper without any second doubt about it. And I request the last slide, please. Yeah, these are the lineup what we have in Threadripper, and we have got a 3945, 55, 7595. And look at the kind of cores and threads. Our cores in Threadripper Pro starts from 12 cores, and it goes straight up to 64 cores. And to look at the threads, it goes up to 128 threads, and that can take care of multiple tasking. And you get the best of the best output. Which a designer really look at when he makes an object, and the object should be crystal clear and can be done when it comes to the rendering part of it. So many jobs coming together, bringing the multiple views of your designs. When you want to showcase to the your clients, that can happen with this kind of capacities. And look at the kind of cache we have, 256 MB cache. We have seen a lot of people, when they look at going for it, we have seen if you ask me between 55, 75, 95, we have seen a lot of people go between 75 and 95, not even 5, because that's the kind of, acceptance that we have. And everything has got the 8 channels. And if you look at the power performance again, when sometimes happens when you look at 2 boards, when you two CPUs work, and the power consumption will be always high. And when you add the graphic again, the power consumption will be high. So your system becomes power hungry. But here, if you look at every Threadripper Pro, it's just actually works on a 280 watt power. Again, it's like power, performance, both are taken care. And all these 4 processors come with AMD Pro technologies. So we would like to share more details, in fact, through the mailers. We would like to connect with the architects, and the designers. So your firms, and I've seen, in fact, I'm very happy to see, Christ College and certain institutes, professionals also here. They train the professors also here in this session. So I request them to, evaluate this, because knowledge is one pillar and technology is the second pillar. When you wanted to put the knowledge into the into the design, into the output, obviously requires technology in hand. And with AMDS, we have right solutions for them. Not just with the, in fact, CPUs, we have even in Radeon graphics. Again, Radeon graphics is the best bundle that can go. That's where we talk about AMD Ryzen plus AMD Radeon plus AMD Radeon software. All 3 things are together. So we will share more details. We will be in touch. And thanks for the Animation Express for giving this opportunity to showcase our entire products in this architecture platform. Thank you.
Yeah, Ramesh, I just wanted to ask you one question before you go on. In terms of Anil Banvaria, in terms of packages which you're offering to studios in the architecture sector, in architecture design studios, what are the packages you offer? Because pricing is also crucial, right?
Absolutely. So see, we have some special pricing which we work for the system integrators. Okay, and that pricing we can actually work for the architect group. So anywhere, if any studios, in fact, we have got recently, I don't want to reveal the name. We got a client from Mumbai. In fact, they came back with upgrading their entire studio with some 50 odd PCs. So we gave a special solution for them. In fact, today, if you look at AMD Ryzen and AMD Radeon, both are required. Ryzen Threadripper, the first concern today in the current shortage, you might have seen the chipset shortage, which is worldwide. And again, we have the same issues right here. But still, getting the confirmation on the supply is the first criteria. We want to help the architects, to upgrade their system. In fact, we would like to work on the pricing if there is a, lot of deal going on. And again, in terms of the Radeon, we have the right solution. We want to give that as well. So both Ryzen plus Radeon, we would like to work with a great deal for architects in the community. you can get in touch. I'll share my contact details. In fact, it's available with Neha and team. I'm the one point of contact for entire nation. So anyone can reach out whenever they have any requirements on this.
Okay, I'm going to ask you another follow-up question. In terms of, internationally, which is the preferred CPU as well as the graphics chip, which is it the AMD Ryzen Pro, which is the most popular chip with Architecture Studios on the CPU side and on the graphics side?
Okay, so I'll give you a straight answer here. So we have got Ryzen family with, in fact, Threadripper falls under the Ryzen family only. So this is a sub-brand of, again, AMD Ryzen as Threadripper. And Threadripper is the first and the best, which is, suitable for all the architects. Unless the jobs are like home jobs or limited jobs, or only for doing little of a graphic work or not much of it, then we will recommend them to Ryzen 9 kind of processor. In fact, that also has the same 16 cores kind of capacity equal to the Threadripper, but it may not have the pro features what Threadripper has. Otherwise, worldwide, the highest acceptance for every top class architects is on Threadripper.
Okay,
and comes to the graphic card part of it, GPU part of it. Again, GPU, we have a family, the Navi 21, which is we call internally, and it's a 6600 straight up to 1600. So if we look at Threadripper, goes well with the 6800 XT and the 1600 XT, because that's the best capacity processors, graphic processors that can go well with Threadrippers. So the output, if you look at in terms of handling, if you see that PCIe 4 lanes, it has got the best expandability where people wants to use this space exactly for the GPUs to also give the performance. So GPU can also take a lot of tasks when the rendering goes up. So when you look at output, the output will be the best. And today, if you look at AMD, when I said AAA, AMD Ryzen and AMD Radeon and AMD Radeon software, we are giving the best solutions because all three together, when it comes out of the R&D itself, from the labs itself, the three can sync together and the output will be much better. When you go with the AMD Ryzen, with the NVIDIA or Intel with the Radeon, the output, the AMD plus AMD will always be the best. So Radeon, again, we have taken it up like Ryzen and Radeon. Now we expanded a lot of range. And yes, there is a shortage going on in the worldwide, even the graphics chipsets as well. But still, we can work, especially for the SI partners as well as for the architects, to get it done.
So, how much time does it take to get a return on your investment? Because the pricing is higher. You're looking at what, 25,000, 30,000 rupees for a Ryzen Threadripper?
No, Threadripper processors, we have a different costing here. It goes right away from $1,000 up to $2,500, kind of products. That's little, in terms of the cost, it will be because it gives the performance of what a Ryzen 7 can give for 3 or 4 times of what a Threadripper can perform. Okay, and if you want to split a job on delivering it on a basic processor versus Threadripper processors, the outcome will be Threadripper processor can actually perform 3 systems, similar performance in one place, and the productivity is the best. Your designer is not stuck to deliver the rendering job to be output, takes so much of time, because you have seen on the video itself, it takes very little time, comparatively almost 2 or 3 times, saves, and it saves actually the not just the power, in fact the time and the productivity of the employee. So my cost is, especially Threadripper processors will not be costing less. Definitely it will cost up to $3,000 is what we have the pricing.
So but when is the return? How much time do you think they can get a return on the investment?
It's again depends, because these tasks, when you look at, as I've seen in the previous conversation before my presentation, if someone is looking at 30,000 rupees, if they have to charge, to give a basic design to a client. Okay, so obviously you can actually such designs you can put it at 10 or 15, because when you look at a 3 lakh processor which I have, and you add up some 3 to 4 lakhs more for other components that require to build a PC, it goes up to 5.56 lakhs minimum. So 6 lakhs if you have to look at it at 30,000 rupees job, so obviously you have to get some 20 such tasks. So if you look at it, but these particular pieces are not meant for to make the output of a 30,000, because in fact, I myself get connected to when the architects are talking about designing a house or renovating the old house, and how to save their clients money in terms of using their existing furniture and everything. So looking at that angle, if someone takes a task of 50,000 to 1 lakh kind of thing, because I got a quote recently from an architect, is about 1 lakh to give me a quotation for the entire renovation of my house. So if that is the case, like me, the 5 clients or 6 clients, they can recover it. But if you look at this, these are really not meant for the home kind of purpose. These are really meant for the biggest projects. And across the globe, these are actually used for the bigger projects, because we have straight away from Ryzen 5, Ryzen 7, Ryzen 9, these 3 processors. Ryzen 3 and all, like the home usage or the basic day-to-day office usage. But coming above from Ryzen 5 or Ryzen 7, these things can take care of the basic purpose. So if someone invests on Threadripper, say 6 lakh, if you got a one sprite project doing an animation work, it can be taken out from one particular deal itself. That's what I can tell you.
Thank you very much. Over to you, Parth, and it's been a pleasure listening to you. Thank you for sharing how architects can benefit from the chipsets that you're offering. Thank you very much. Over to you, Parth.
Thank you, Anil sir, and thank you, Ramesh, for an amazing presentation. And I think the chipsets are really going to drive the future of architecture in many other fields. I've heard great things about AMD Threadripper.